Hi guys, if you own a P38 Range Rover and have recently replaced the battery, you may probably need to resync your key for the remote unlocking and locking of the key to work. So in this video, I will show you how to do it step by step. So we're gonna walk to the driver's door. With your standard Land Rover key, you, you push it inside the keyhole and then hold the lock button and then turn to the lock. Lock is on the right side. So you hold it while you turn it. And then for the unlock, you hold the unlock and then move it to the unlock position. So after you do that, the key will now respond to the buttons in the remote. So in this video, I will show you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos coming soon.